Well, we kicked off harvest properly last night. Everything was going well, and then about 9 o'clock, the bin just started filling up with chaff, and always seemed to happen when it got above the window. Not that you can really see much in the bin from the cab at night with the stupid lights they have in the bins on these things, but this was the end result. Just chaffy barley. There's barley there, but mainly chaff. I don't know, I really don't know if the fan's blocked up or the automation just had a glitch or what, but it's not the first time it's happened and I'm getting a bit over it. I'd rather just have manual settings if you could avoid that. Anyway, so that's the fun this morning. Gonna dump that into the chaser bin and then try and get everything parked up so I can just slowly feed that back out of the chaser bin into the front and rerun it through the header to clean it up. Look at all that beautiful chaff. Right, finally got the bin empty. It's in the chase bin. Now to try and run it back through.
Thousand years later.
That's a bit more like it. Well, harvest has begun. Probably been going solid now for 4 days. I just really haven't been bothered to pick up the camera because just trying to get in the swing of things. Barley's all done and dusted for the year, so that's good. Other than some real late sown stuff. Now we're on the canola. At 8:30 last night, the chase bin tractors forward and reverse lever decided to seize up, so I have to go pull that to bits. And hopefully they have the part in town and get that put in, and we'll be away again for the day. Just have to do that and service and fuel the header. Well, we've found our first hurdle. Instead of being a nice little Phillips head screw in there, it's a star. And the star set's at the workshop. So back home we go. And we're back. And we're back. Been smart. Well, haven't fixed it yet, but managed to get it to go into forwards, so going to the workshop because I can't get the steering wheel off. I need some sort of puller, so instead of doing 1,000 trips back and forth in the ute, for every little bits and pieces that I need, I'll take this home. Well, there's nil stock in Wagga, they're in Sydney, and there's some an hour and a half away, but that's the part that is, so we're just going to swap tractors. Well, we're all sorted. Chase bin tractor's swapped over for the spray tractor. Bin driver's been run over that one, so hopefully that'll be all good. Header's blown down and checked. Just putting some fuel on. Bit of a late start, but should be right. Should be able to knock over a bit today. Well, what a debacle of a day. I got started late because of the chase bin tractor. Then we're going for an hour or two, and then there was a fire about 20 or 30k away that was well and truly out of control. So went to that and got there, and the boys in the fire trucks all had it under control, and there was a heap of local units there too, so that was great that they got it under control. So, but I got there and pretty much turned around and came back home, get the header going again. Now we're into it, but it just won't feed. Go like 50 to 60% engine load is all you can give it, otherwise it just blocks up. That's my life for the next 10 days, 2 weeks, just following the windrows around, trying to get them into the header. The sample's not the best, but I've seen worse. The local buyer's pretty good with that. Yeah, that's me. they're getting close to the ground, just make sure they're not touching.
Yeah, all right. I'll wait for that.
Thank you. Well, we're going up and back for another day. Today's been a event-free day, which has been good. Just serviced and fueled the header this morning and jumped on and away we went. So that's always good. We've been going with harvest for a bit over a week now. Everything's been going well. I've only been filming bits and pieces because everything's been running relatively smooth and I haven't really had the energy to pick up the GoPro much. One of those days I'll get the energy to carry the camera around with me all day and show you what a proper full day of harvest looks like around here. Anyway, today it's looking like rain and none of our bags are sealed, so before we get the header going, if we get the header going, I'm just going to go run around and seal up all the bags. And that's how we seal our bags up. Only got 3 more to do this morning and then try and get the header ready to go. And hopefully it doesn't rain.
Dad?
Yes, mate.
I hope it's raining.
Yeah, we don't want rain today.
No raining.
Well, we've had 9 pretty smooth days. There's been a few little interruptions, but all in all, I'll take those 9 days anytime, but I think we're going to get knocked off tonight. I don't know if there's any way we can dodge this storm. Well, it looks like it's coming over the Galore Hill now. Past 3 or 4 days we've just been dodging storms left and right of us, just catching the edge of them each time and being able to keep going, but I think this one's going to hit us, but we'll see what happens. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 little runs to finish on this side of the paddock and the Terminator's starting to block up. Got a wet windscreen. I reckon I can get it done. I don't know. Ooh. Come on. Oh, I think I'm out. So close, yet so far.
Harbour down.
Thank you. Well, we're all lined out. Till next time, bye.